Are you ready to transform your cooking experience and reclaim your kitchen counter space? Today, we're diving into the amazing Instant Pot Duo Plus, the ultimate 9-in-1 pressure cooker designed to simplify your life. This incredible appliance replaces 9 different devices, acting as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, food warmer, cake maker, and sterilizer, all in one sleek unit. Imagine decluttering your kitchen while still making gourmet meals with just one button. With 15 customizable smart programs, cooking delicious meals like chili, soup, rice, and even cakes has never been easier or more consistent. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, these one-touch presets take the guesswork out of preparing your family's favorite dishes quickly. The durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and effortless cleanup, a huge benefit over traditional non-stick alternatives. It's built to last and provides peace of mind for daily use, making it a fantastic long-term kitchen investment. What truly makes the Instant Pot Duo Plus special is its unparalleled versatility and user-friendly design, making complex recipes accessible and saving you precious time every single day. Ready to revolutionize your home cooking? Click the Amazon link in the description below to grab your own Instant Pot Duo Plus today. For anyone looking for the best kitchen gadget to buy in 2025, this 9-in-1 powerhouse is an absolute must-have.